Blizzard of 2011. Here we go. I just did a bunch of shoveling, so this is just the beginning. It's around, I don't know, such and such o'clock at night. So here we go. That's the shoveling I did. See if we can get a better picture of how deep the snow is. This is what I just shoveled, and you can see it's already starting to accumulate. I just got done shoveling this. You can see the pile of snow right there. I bend down. It's almost as tall as the top of this 2010 Camaro. Whew. It's pretty, the wind's starting to pick up. Like I said, lots of snow. A little path I dug out so I can take my dog out to the bathroom. Gotta do his business once in a while. Let's take a step back, kind of see. More updates later. Kind of see it's pretty deep.